Okay.
Right, my first attempt at splitting a beehive. This is the original. The contents weigh about 5 kilos. Here's the new one. I've taped up the existing hive so the bees can't get out. So I just unstrap the new one, get it apart and ready. I've got a knife, screwdriver, I've done the air guards, I've got a bowl, hopefully to put the honey in. Right, this is the bottom of the new one. I put some masking tape across so that the brood that sits in the half above doesn't sink into it. Now I'm going to attempt to open this one. First thing I'm going to do is take the honey pot off. Take off the lid, hopefully. Something gooey inside. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
It's all the honey cells. Now I'll take that off, hopefully. Should be a base here with some holes in it. Now I've got to cut this out somehow. A few bees will get squashed, unfortunately. Ooh. That's absolutely chock-a-block.
Maybe.
The hive was definitely due to be split. Not sure how easy this is going to be to get out. There's some honey running in there. I think I'll have to cut this in half. Couldn't have been any fuller. Sorry, little bees down there in the bowl. I paid the ultimate price. It's a bit of a surprise how much is here. Very messy. I might actually not put this back on the new hive because it's going to run through the hive. I might just let it drain and put it on later in a few weeks maybe. But that'll yeah, could ruin the hive if it runs through it and it attracts predators. So no real hurry for that. Okay, now the main hive. This will be interesting. It's coming apart pretty easy actually. So the whole centre of this 2 boxes is chock-a-block full of breeding chambers. Just make sure it's coming apart. actually going to cut it. Looks like the bottom's coming up with it. This will do a bit of damage, but they'll fix it up. Feels a bit cruel, this, but alright, there we go. Spider's coming out. Okay, this top half I'm going to put on here, and it's chock-a-block full. It goes on there. A few bees get squashed. Now this is the brood chamber. And down in here, these are all like, you can see the larvae coming out of these. I hope some of them are supposed to be bigger and they're the queens. I can't actually see any, but the queen is either in here or in this one, and whichever one hasn't got a queen, they'll hurry up and make a new queen. So now on top of that one, I put a new top box. Which is this one. Sorry bees. Okay, so I've got a new honey pot. I'll put that on the new one, I think. And the lid goes on that one. Now that honey pot's staying there to drain. I'll put it back on this one at a later date. Okay, that's pretty much it. There's a lid. I'll cut this wax and stuff off. Actually, I'll put that on the new hive because there's a gap under it. They can rummage through that for a bit of excess honey. That's it. Now I'll just strap it up, and the new hive I'll take away. I've already taped up the entrance. No, I haven't. I'll do that. Here's the tape. No, that's right. I put this one back here where this one was, and I'll take this one away. So that's it. Easy peasy. Now I'll get to eat the honey. That's it.